Hello dear traders. For today's session I decided to cover the USD versus Canadian dollar, and I will speak about the euro versus US dollar. On the USD versus Canadian dollar, what I see basically is that there is a potential for the upside move today in the next period, and I will show you my reasons behind this. So if you check the last week, basically we had a strong impulsive upside movement, and naturally basically at the beginning of this week we corrected a bit. So we got a 2 high to low days. You can also see that on the rate of change here, lower dot here and lower dot here. So we got a 2 high to from high to low days, 2 down days. Today we are trading below the previous day low, but I found that this is actually to me it looks like that we got exhaustion here below the previous day low. Initially we got this drifting pattern followed by upside move, and then we got another small drifting pattern and another upside move, and on top of that we got a bull divergence on the 15-minute time frame, watching that is 310 oscillator and watching the previous price action. So you see the lower low on the price section but a higher low on the oscillator, so there is definitely a bull divergence that is happening in the last few hours. So this can actually be a quite important piece of information for today. And I can see the rally, and probably the rally towards the early morning highs at 1.2328. This can also result even bigger rally into the next period, and we can speak about previous day high at 1.2400 and the 2-day and 3-day high and the 1.2482. Definitely my suggestion will be to watch for buying opportunities. Profile is also suggesting same. I will just show you. Right here, there is basically a test of this middle edge. We're in the middle between this upper and lower ledge, but the profile looks like a pretty flat, so we have defined value. And I will say because of that, I guess there's a plenty of upside opportunities and good potential for the rally on this one. So watch for that one. I guess this idea to be invalid, to become invalid, I will say the price will probably need to take the low on this lower ledge at 1.226, 225. So definitely upside opportunities preferable on this one. If we speak about a euro dollar, there is also a very interesting situation there. I want to speak again about our 5-day cycle for the tops. And last 2 months we got perfect tops actually occurring every 5 days. It's just so insane to watch that every 5 days, with a little exception, you know, just the like in this stage, instead of here, we got like few 6 hours later or so. But look at where we are right now. Again, this is still supply trend line in control. 5-day cycle is here. So guess what? This also looks pretty correctional. So I guess there's another potential for the down cycle and eventually retest of this low in the next period, probably till end of the week, 1.1848. So, and the bigger drop actually can even lead the euro dollar to 1.1715 level. So definitely watch this. I guess key resistance on this one is at 1.1985. So this was bit also the low from here. Can also act like resistance. But you know, 5-day cycle, we know there's something potentially good can happen here, and topping activity can occur here. Speaking of the intraday frames, nothing that spectacular for now. Some very noisy environment and so, but speaking of the short mid-term, 5-day cycle is in play for the tops. So watch for downside opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.